So this happened.
What the fuck was that?
Causing this to happen. Yeah. She's done. It doesn't actually look like it hit the radiator or anything. Sorry if you guys can't hear. Fuck all. Like the wind is blowing way too hard right now. It looks to kind of just hit my horn, shattered the grill, all the shit. Kind of marked up the hood a little bit, got some scuffs, but I'm not really too worried about that. Over here I've actually got, it completely wrecked my mirror. That thing's done. Which I don't get how, because it looks like it just barely hit. Something hit right there. So I'm not exactly sure how it knocked it out completely, but yeah, lack of mirror is real. Anyway, I've got the stock grill here. I'll go ahead and put that in. Probably rub some back to black on it. Make it look less shitty, but yeah. Alright, so I got the grill removed, as you can see. And the radiator does not look to be hit at all, other than by some bees. And I tried bending the horn back the best I can, but it's not really affecting anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it alone. There's that beautiful wind again. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get the stock one back in. Back at it again with that stock grill live. Doesn't look too bad, but I am definitely going to be ordering another one. But yeah, this thing's pretty wrecked. It's now in a few pieces. Whatever that was pretty solid. Granted, that's not the like burliest grill, but still shook the car when it hit. This has also helped me decide that I want to rewrap the car, because it kind of jacked up the hood. And well, rewrap. I want to wrap the car. Jacked up the bumper. I've had some clear coat issues with it, as you can see over here. There's that glorious wind. Literally every time I grab the damn camera, the wind starts to pick up. So I'll go ahead and drop down and hide behind the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. It's gonna be a red, but I'm not gonna tell you what kind of red yet. And I'm also gonna lower it, probably just about 1.5 inches. I'm looking at lowering kits right now. Then probably new tires, because these ones are getting pretty worn. Yeah, they're down to the wear bars. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little update.